Unit 13. What would you like? Page 86. Exercise 2. Conversation. I'm tired of shopping. Part A. Listen and practice.
Hey, do you want to get something to eat?
Sure, I'm tired of shopping.
So am I. What do you think of Thai food?
I love it, but I'm not really in the mood for it today.
Yeah, I'm not either, I guess. It's a bit spicy.
What about Japanese food?
Fine by me. I love Japanese food.
So do I. There's a great restaurant on the first floor. It's called Kyoto Garden.
Perfect. Let's go try it.
Page 86. Exercise 2. Part B. Listen to the rest of the conversation. What do they decide to do after eating? Is there something they don't want to do?
Wow, that was delicious. But I'm full.
So am I. I'm in the mood for something relaxing. What about a movie?
Good idea. What do you want to see?
Anything, really. We can see what's playing.
Okay, but no romance. I promised to see the new Ryan Gosling movie with my sister. One romance movie is enough.
You're a good brother.
It's her birthday next week. That's the only reason why.
Page 87. Exercise 3. Grammar focus. So, to, neither, either.
I'm crazy about Italian food.
So am I.
I am too.
Oh, I'm not.
I can eat really spicy food.
So can I.
I can too.
Really? I can't.
I like Japanese food a lot.
So do I.
I do too.
Oh, I don't like it very much.
I'm not in the mood for Indian food.
Neither am I.
I'm not either.
Really? I am.
I can't stand fast food.
Neither can I.
I can't either.
Oh, I love it.
I don't like salty food.
Neither do I.
I don't either.
Oh, I like it a lot.
Page 88. Exercise 4. Pronunciation. Stress in responses. Part A. Listen and practice. Notice how the last word of each response is stressed.
I do too. I am too. I can too.
So do I. So am I. So can I.
I don't either. I'm not either. I can't either.
Neither do I. Neither am I. Neither can I.
Page 88. Exercise 6. Conversation. May I take your order? Part A. Listen and practice.
May I take your order?
Yes, please. I'd like the veggie burger.
All right. And would you like soup or salad with your burger?
What's the soup of the day?
It's chicken soup. We also have cream of potato soup and onion soup.
I'll have the onion soup, please.
And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I'd like a lemonade, please.
Page 88. Exercise 6. Part B. Listen to the server talk to the next customer. What does he order?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'd like the chicken curry, please.
Would you like today's special chicken curry and mango salad?
Yes, I'll have the curry and salad, please.
Okay. Anything to drink?
Yeah, I'll have a large orange juice, please.
And how about some dessert? We have pie, cake, and ice cream.
No dessert for me, thanks.
Page 89. Exercise 7. Grammar focus. Modal verbs would and will for requests.
What would you like?
I'd like the veggie burger.
I'll have a mango salad. What kind of soup would you like?
I'd like onion soup, please.
I'll have the soup of the day. What would you like to drink?
I'd like a lemonade.
I'll have a large orange juice. Would you like anything else?
Yes, please. I'd like some coffee.
That's all, thanks.
Contractions.
I'll equals I will. I'd equals I would.
Page 90. Exercise 9. Listening. Working late. Part A. Stephen and Sarah are working late. Listen as their boss asks what they would like for dinner. What do they order? Fill in their choices.
Sarah, Stephen, thanks for working late tonight, guys. I'm going to order dinner for you from City Table Restaurant.
Wow, thanks, Luis.
Yeah, thanks.
I emailed you a link to their online menu. Open it up and have a look. What would you like?
I don't even need to look. I love their sausage pizza. I'd like a small one.
And I'd like a small pizza with peppers, please.
Okay, great. The pizzas come with salads. What kind of dressing would you like?
I'll have Italian dressing.
I'd like vinaigrette, please.
Great. Now, what would you like to drink? Some coffee, maybe?
That sounds good. I'll have a coffee.
Okay. How do you take it?
With cream and sugar.
I'd like an iced tea with lemon, please.
Perfect. Have you looked at the desserts? They're really good.
Are they? Well, then, I'd like a slice of blueberry pie.
And how about you, Stephen?
I don't usually eat dessert.
Are you sure? Remember, I'm paying.
Well, okay. I'll have a piece of chocolate cake.
Good choice. That's my favorite. Okay, I'll order everything online. The food will probably be here in 30 minutes.
Page 90. Exercise 9. Part B. Listen to their conversation after the food arrives. Choose the 2 items that are missing from the order.
Okay, guys, here's the food from City Table.
That was quick.
Wow, it smells so good.
Let's see. 2 small pizzas, 1 sausage, and 1 with peppers.
Thanks. The one with peppers is mine.
Okay. And 2 salads, 1 with Italian dressing and 1 with vinaigrette.
The one with vinaigrette is mine.
Okay. And there's a coffee and an iced tea.
The iced tea is mine, and the coffee is his.
This has sugar in it, but no cream. Is there any in the bag?
Let me see. Maybe it's in the bottom of the bag. Nope, I don't see any cream.
Well, that's all right. I think we have some in the office kitchen.
Oh, that's good. And finally, a piece of chocolate cake. That's everything.
Oh, but I ordered a slice of blueberry pie.
It's not on the receipt. Sorry, Sarah. I think I forgot to order it.
Oh well, that's okay.
Would you like some of my chocolate cake, Sarah? This piece is huge.
Really? Thanks, Stephen. That's so nice of you.